Hi, so in this video I'm going to be running through how you can send your first survey using the SweetHawk survey app. So let's jump in and have a look. So over here we've just installed the survey app, and as you can see in the home screen we've automatically created an example survey for you to either start using or edit and start using as you see fit. So you can get into that survey by clicking on Manage Surveys or just clicking on the Surveys tab on the left hand side here. Here you can see we've got the survey, and these are the two questions in it. Now you can alter any of these questions as you see fit before you start sending it out. In this case, maybe we want to change the how would you rate the support received question from a 0 to 10 question to a 5-star question. So let's do that, and I'll choose 5-star. We'll set the 5-star rating to extremely satisfied. And we'll make a couple of settings like so, and then click on save. So now we're asking a 5-star questions instead of a 0 to 10 question with our first survey question. Of course, you can add more questions as you see fit as well. Before you send the survey off, you may also want to kind of update your branding settings on the left hand side here. So you can add a logo to your surveys. If you've got multiple brands in Zendesk, you'll be able to do it for each different brands. And you can change the color as well. So we'll just make that color like so and click on save. Now, once you've updated the colors and updated the questions, you can preview what the survey looks like so. And see if that's what you want, or if you want to make any changes to it. Now, before you send the survey off, for the first time, you can edit the survey as much as you like, but once you have sent your first survey out and you've got results in, then you will not be able to alter this survey any longer. You'll be able to clone this survey and ask different surveys, but this survey will be locked down. So it's important to kind of make sure that you're asking the right questions before you start using the survey. So once you've got the survey right, how do you send it off? Well, you've got this placeholder on the right hand side here. So I can copy this placeholder into any trigger or automation that I want to send this survey out. Now, if you're using Zendesk native CSAT surveys, then what you could do is you could copy this placeholder and then find the automation that sends off the CSAT survey, and then simply replace the CSAT's placeholder with the placeholder from the app. Alternatively, if you're wanting to send this survey off at a different time or at a specific time, like when the ticket is marked as solved, you can kind of update your trigger. So we're going to find an existing trigger that we've got on our desk for when the ticket is marked as solved, which we've got here, and down here we can just add the survey snippet to the bottom here, which will add it when this trigger fires. Now, of course, rather than just asking a straight survey question, you may want to preface it by saying, we'd love to hear what you think of our customer service, etc. But yeah, once you've set that, now we can go and test this survey out. So to test the survey out, you're going to create a ticket for an end user or whoever you like. And then we can kind of mark this ticket as solved. So this ticket is solved, and then we'll mark it as solved. And that'll cause the trigger to fire, which will update the end user. So now let's switch over to the end user's perspective on their email, and they will be able to see this email that's come through. And here is the first question of the survey that's been injected into their kind of the email that was sent out of Zendesk. When I answer the survey, that'll take me through to the survey landing page where I can kind of complete the survey, share the feedback, and then from the the agent's perspective, they will be able to see that information populated back into the ticket and be able to kind of go from there. But yeah, so that is how you can send and receive your first survey in the survey app for SweetHawk. Let us know how you go. If you've got any questions, email us at support@sweethawk.com. Thanks for watching.